Songa kidogo matano.
I'm called Simon Omari. I'm the chairperson of Clinical Officers Union, Bungoma branch. I'm also the chair of the Bungoma Union's caucus. As we are here today, we are here as a collection of all cadres. We are having the nurses, the laboratory technicians, the pharmacists, the public health, clinical officers, occupational therapists, the nutritionists, the medical laboratory, all cadres in health, the 21 cadres, we are all here. The members here are representatives of the bigger population of over 1,000 healthcare workers in Bungoma County. Because of the COVID issues, we have chosen a representative of them to be here today on a salary parade. This is not a picketing meeting, it is not a strike, it is a salary parade. We are complaining about our employer who has not paid us the salary of May. This is June. We are approaching the end. We've not been paid. But what we are so much against is the whole idea that the county assembly has not passed a bill that contains our salaries for the month we are talking about. Therefore, we have asked our members to be here today across the 10 sub-counties. If you go around the 10 sub-counties, the services are not running. Members are on a parade to make sure that they compel the county machinery to pay the salaries of our healthcare workers. And we want to send a very strong warning because it will not end at this. We are having a good 3-day parade. Today we are here in these grounds. Tomorrow we'll be presenting a strike notice to the Bungoma residents and the administration in general, because this will culminate to a total strike, because health workers cannot work without being paid. And we want to advise also the residents of Bungoma, who are actually the beneficiaries of our services, to prepare themselves to seek services elsewhere. Because by the end of the day, if workers are not paid, the schools are opening by July. And the healthcare workers have lost the dignity. The housemaids, they cannot meet their basic demands at home. So we cannot continue that way. It is a real irony that the county assembly, whom actually we serve the residents,
and my colleague union representatives, plus our members. Today we have converged here not because we want an increment in salaries or any other thing, but it is due to the failure of the county government of Bungoma to pay our deserving salaries for the month of June, for the month of May, and now the month of June that is due. For all this while, our members have been calm, anticipating that there will be an official communication from the county government executive on the state of our delayed salaries, but this has not been forthcoming despite the information currently circulating on certain social media platforms on where and what could have happened to our salaries for the month of May and June. Counter communication from the county executive on the same. We are left to believe that our salary for the 2 months was diverted and transferred to foot other expenses. Our role as union representatives is to defend the interest of our members who are workers of this county of Bungoma. According to the Employment Act, Chapter 226, revised 2012, Section 18, Part 2B and C, it stipulates clearly that an employee is supposed to be paid at the end of every completed month of service. This is not the case with Bungoma County, as salary for May and June remained unpaid. That is more than 30 days for the case of salary of May and June that is already due.